January 29, Monday morning meditation. Score isn't everything. How you did it matters. This goes for the pitch, the boardroom, and life in general. Meditate on the balance struck between the tendency or desire to solely tally points on a scoreboard versus doing so while truly understanding how your team is functioning and owning success. Master PGA Pro Warren Bottke develops the physical and psychological aspects of a player's game by installing repeatable processes for universal application. Bottke balances training across preparation, mechanics, physicality, schedule, mindset, nutrition, and lifestyle. The culmination, consistent ability to convert under pressure, sinking that birdie putt on Sunday when it's all on the line. Headlines capture victories, diligence captures championships. Consider how performance metrics tell only part of your story, while systems and culture define your brand and organization. As you navigate your program this week, observe your approach to handling routine requests, overcoming new challenges, and resolving conflicts. Keep your methodology in mind when solving for X. Commit to achieve wins by design so that you may more reliably replicate the result. Score isn't everything. How you deploy talent matters. How you engage others matters. How you convert on opportunities matters. How you win the race matters. Get in it.